Wondershare Recoverit review. Is it any good? So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be doing a review right here for Wondershare Recoverit and if it's good or not. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts or special promos when you're going to buy some subscriptions or some products right here in Wondershare Recoverit. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the video. So according to Trustpilot right here, out of 4,834 reviews, Wondershare Recoverit has a 4.7 star rating out of 5 stars, which is a pretty good ratio. So yeah, so this is the review summary right here. So reviewers overwhelmingly had a great experience with this company. Customers highlight the software's user-friendly design, noting its simplicity and ease of use. Many appreciate the clear, step-by-step instructions that make file restoration straightforward, even for those with limited technical expertise. People also value the efficiency of the recovery process, with several users reporting quick and hassle-free retrieval of their lost files. Consumers express confidence in the software's ability to recover various file types from different storage devices, including external hard drives and SD cards. The application is considered a lifesaver, particularly for retrieving essential documents, photos, and videos. Some reviewers also appreciate the promptness and helpfulness of the support team, further enhancing their overall experience. So this right here is the overall review right here for all the 4,834 reviews that we have right here for Wondershare Recoverit. Moving on, as we have the prices right here for Wondershare Recoverit. So again, if you click on the link in the description below, there will be a special discount or special promos right here when you're going to purchase a product right here in Wondershare Recoverit. So for Wondershare Recoverit, it has 3 plans right here. So we have the monthly plan, the annual plan, and the perpetual plan. So the monthly plan, the old price before was $59.99, and the current price right now, or the discounted price, is $45.99. So this one is good for 2 PCs. So the features include hard drives and location recovery. So you can restore up to 1,000 plus file formats, recover 2,000 devices, recover this image, deep scan and file preview. It also has some SD card recovery details like recover from SD card or recover from a flash drive. Next is crash computer recovery. So you can create a bootable disk or a bootable flash drive, and then you can also recover from a crashed PC. It also has NAS and Linux recovery, so you can recover your Linux PC, recover your NAS server, or recover your RAID corruption. And then you also have photo and video restore, so you can enhance photo and video recovery and scan and merge video fragments. And then lastly, it has a free feature right here, which is Repairit. So Repairit can repair corrupted files in 75 plus formats. You can save unlimited Repairit files, and you can also get a 1-month license to Repairit for free. Moving on, so we have the annual plan right here. So files and recovery and repair for 2 PCs as well. So the discounted price is $46.99 and the original price was $69.99. And then the features are just the same with the previous monthly plan. And the next is we have the perpetual plan right here. Files recovery and repair for 2 PCs as well. The price right now is $82.99 and the original price was $135.99. So this one is a one-time payment, and the features are also the same with the previous ones. And then after that, that is pretty much it. Again, there will be a special link in the description below and where you can get discounts and promos when you're going to buy a plan right here for Wondershare Recoverit. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the Wondershare Recoverit review. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.